Have you ever dreamt of having an invisible camera operator on your solo content creation adventures? With the emergence of intelligent flight modes and active tracking, this dream might just have become a reality thanks to the latest advancements in drone technology. DJI's newest innovations, the Osmo Pocket 3 and the Mini4Pro, are the perfect duo to turn your creative visions into tangible experiences.
I'm filming here right now with the Osmo Pocket 3 and the sound is from DJI's Mic 2 here, and in the distance I have the DJI's Mini4Pro drone flying and following me, and see how this actually works. All in combination. Let's test it out and cut it together. Okay, now let's go further hiking. Hiking is what we came for, next to testing. Okay.
During a recent hiking trip, I decided to bring along both these gadgets to see how they would perform in a real-world scenario. For this test, I kept all settings on both devices in their default state, opting for automated mode and normal picture settings. I didn't use any ND filters as they hadn't arrived in time for the hike. This setup provided a straightforward and unaltered evaluation of the device's capabilities in their most basic operation modes.
Subscribe to learn more about the outdoor technologies. Hit the like button and see you next time around. Goodbye for now.